Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to apply gradient to text in Illustrator. And let's begin. First of all, create a text, hold click and type text gradient. Select text size, hold shift fix size and select text layer or text. Go to type tab, create outlines or shortcut key shift plus control O. Then create outline. Then go to window tab, edit gradient or control F9. Use gradient and double click the gradient bar. Use color, example use color red color and right side use yellow color and use multiple color. Click, then select multiple color and change color again green. Then use angle and change angle. Use custom. Okay, that's it. Type radial liner locations. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.